You know what I'm going to do too? Before I throw this away, I think I'm going to peel off some of the white bits. I might as well save that just in case I ever get a rip on this. Okay? Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll save all those back pieces, roll them up, and put them up in the attic in case I ever need this little bit right here. Alrighty. Now here's another tip for you. See, I'm just going to save this stuff. I'm going to roll it up or fold it or whatever on all the different pieces. And the insulation, you know, if you have an attic or if you have an attic area, you can throw this all up in your attic. Well, I don't have an attic per se that I can crawl around in, so I think I'm going to end up throwing this insulation away. But if you do have an attic, throw it up there. Don't throw it in the trash. Hey, there's 3 there, 3 there. That's I had 18 panels, or 8 panels, but I used the full ones at the bottom, remember? And so I just rolled it up and put a little piece of tape on there, and then I folded the tape over, and that way I can grab it for later. And then I'll save that. I'll save my gloves. I'll save those. And I think I only had 2 of these left. And I'll save my gloves and that extra piece there. Okay. And I can use these gloves for something else. I could even use that tape for something else. Who knows? All right. Okay. Well, that's all for this time. Glad you joined me. Oh, just so you know, I did run the door up. Everything's fine. You just have to make sure not to cover those. If you see a hinge there, something like that, that's why I notched those out of there. Okay. You don't want to mess those up. And the thing runs up and down just fine. I just rolled up the door. See, that's why you've got to have those things in there and stuff, because when it rolls up, you don't want the middle to pucker down and stuff. And basically, I just free-formed it, cut it long, and then I've got it taped at the ends. I don't have anything on the joints here, up there. The only thing that's holding it are those little buttons. Okay, 2 of them per panel. Hey, that turned out peachy. Ooh-wee. Well, can you believe it? I am all done. See how nice I've got it along the sides. I taped that, and this stuff wasn't sticking very well, so when I put the tape over there, then I put another long row over here and folded it over the edge by about 3/8 of an inch, and that should keep it down. And see, doesn't that look nice? Here I've got that there, and like I say, I'll leave this clear tape on there, and later on down the road, if I want to get some white duct tape or something, I could always do that carefully and put a nice piece right over there, or a double piece or something like that, if I feel I need to or anything. See how you just take your time. Now you see why I measured this over further and had the insulation cut back so that I could pull that over and tape that. I'm liking that. And it actually does feel a lot warmer. Okay, so now I've got a dumpster here. We're at the condo, and there's a dumpster on property. I'll throw all this stuff over there, and then I'll sweep up, and it will look like I was never here. Ooh-wee. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos, and I don't know what I'm gonna talk about next time. You'll just have to watch and find out. Well, hey, I hope you learned something on this video.